Here you can see, here is the model. I have unwrapped this model. You can see it's on the model. And you can see UVs of this model. Some UVs are overlap and how to identify overlap UV islands or stacks UV islands. So just you need to go to the select, and here is the option select overlap, and you can find the overlap UV islands. Now you can manually select this UV island by pressing L key. You can see, just hover your mouse or cursor on the UV island, and then you can just press L key so you can select that UV island. Then use the move tool and move that UV island to the side. Simple. Then one more time try with the L key, and you can move that UV island to a side. And then you can pack UV islands. You just need to select all these UV islands, and then here is the option UV and pack island. And you can use these different options to pack UV islands as like this. And you can see now we have packed the UV islands. So this is a simple trick to find out overlap UV island. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.